PUBG Mobile redeem code, how to redeem UC and reward codes in PUBG Mobile. To redeem UC and reward codes in PUBG Mobile, the first thing we will do is we will get our numeric character ID. So open up PUBG Mobile and tap on the avatar from the top left of the screen, and over here you can see your UID above your profile picture. So just tap on the small copy button next to it, and our redeem or this particular code of our character has been copied. Now once we've done that, we'll open up our browser. So on your browser, just go ahead and search for PUBG Redemption Center, and when you search for that, you'll find the first link from PUBG Mobile that says pubgmobile.com on the Redemption Center. So you can select that particular option there. Now over here, you can simply enter your player ID, which we just copied. Now over here, enter the redemption code. So depending upon the value of the redemption code, enter them properly here and just verify this captcha as well. Once you have that, basically if you're careful on entering the player ID and you hit the redeem button, the reward of that particular redemption code will be redeemed to the player ID, which is going to be redeemed to your specific account. This way you can redeem code in PUBG Mobile. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.